All
right.
We need to make money.
Okay.
We have a 3.5 5-cylinder GM engine that is notorious for breaking the head bolts. The bolt buster that I'm using is a heat source, and we're heating the head of the bolt to make the bolt grow in length to where we can get these bolts out. So far, we've gotten all except for this one. This is the very last one. We have not broken a single bolt. Fingers crossed this is going to work.
Number 10.
12.
X. X. It's
Oh,
a
yeah,
10,
yeah.
10 millimeter.
10 millimeter X and a big breaker bar.
Ready?
Yeah.
And that is all 12 came loose on this engine.